Welcome back, everybody. Bitcoin weekly close, people. Have a look what came. This candle, the weekly candle, we have a long wick on the top and a small little body. Okay, this is usually leads to a breakdown. You can see every time we get a long wick and little body, okay, we have that one, we go down. You can see right here we go down, but here we didn't go down. But you can see typically we go down when we have the long wicks, we go down and we go down and we go down. There is a lot of indicators that shows us that we could be going south now. Also, the S&P 500 is not looking so good. It's in a critical point. So if the S&P goes down, expect Bitcoin to go down as well. Now you can see it wick here. Right here you can see this was our top, all right, in this little wick right here. In the last week, okay, 7,500, okay, you can see that was our support right here and kind of our resistance right here of all the full bodies, the weekly bodies right here. This is a serious resistance right here that we got rejected. So I'm expecting a pullback here on Bitcoin, all right? Now, also, I wanted to show you, I'm still bullish long term, of course, and also medium term, but short term, I'm changing my bias to bearish a little bit for the next week, as long as we are still right here in this area, because you can see in the long run we are still in a bear trend. Okay, we are still in a bear trend since the 14K, also since some people say since the 2018 bear trend. So basically you can see we are bearish, but you can see we also having the rising trend line on the bottom. So basically my plan is to play on the weekly scale, you know, as a swing trader, okay? Just buy close to the support and sell close to resistance right here. This, if we're gonna go down, so I'm probably gonna sell back around here at this resistance, okay? Now, this is the area I'm having orders around 5,400. 5,400 is a very good place, in my opinion, if we're going to get there, to scoop up some cheap BTC. And also another key area is the 6K, the 5,800. This is a very key area. Now, we're going to look at it in the shorter time frame, okay? By the way, this is only to play like swing trading. I also have a bigger bag of BTC that I'm hodling, okay? And I'm not going to sell unless we're going to break that trend line. And then it looks like we're going to go way, way, way lower, all right? So basically, this is the weekly scale. The weekly scale open not so good. Let's have a look on the daily, people. On the daily, you can see if we open the EMA, this is the 50 EMA. We got rejected right here. You can see we got rejected right here before we crash, okay? By the way, our crash, the large crash, was in the 12th of March, okay? The 12th of March. Yesterday was the 13th of April. Around 1 month after, we might be heading to another crash. It could be. We don't know. We don't know that. This is just speculation. But the 50 EMA, you can see it rejecting us again and again. Right here and right here, we got rejected from that one again and again. And we couldn't even close a weekly candle above it. Okay, that will confirm we broke it, but we didn't. All right, now on the daily, it doesn't look so good, people. It doesn't look so good. Also, we broke the rising trend line. Okay, we kind of broke the rising trend line right here, but we didn't close yet the daily candle, the body. So it still can be a fake out again. BTC could fake out again. It's doing so many fake out, you don't know what the fuck is gonna do. So basically, it's always very good to have some USDT on the line to buy the dips. Now, a very important thing I wanted to show you is the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame. Have a look on the 4-hour time frame. Let's remove the EMA. You can see we have in here some kind of a head and shoulder formation. Now this is bearish. Okay, usually it's bearish. You can see this is one shoulder, then we got another the head, and that's the second shoulder. Now you can see this is the neckline. Our neckline stands around the 6666 area. Okay, this is the area. It also was our resistance right here. So was resistance, now is support. This is a critical area. If we break underneath it and close the daily candle above it, I'm expecting a move at least to 5,800. I'll show you why. If you measure the head of the head and shoulders and you put it on the breakout area right here, it takes us all the way back to 5,800, 5,900 area, and it also falls in line with that, the closing body here on the 4-hour and also right here. So this is a very good area to pick up some BTC, and I'm expecting a nice bounce over here, all right? Unless we're gonna have a stock market meltdown, you know, 10% down, so BTC gonna go very fast to the downside. All right, people, and basically, as you know, people, this channel is designed for crypto hodlers, swing traders, not so much for day trading, because, you know, we're looking to make more gains on the swing, on the bigger move, okay? Of course, if I'm in profit, 10%, 20%, I'll always take some profit, okay? This is also a rules. But the most important, people, is to protect our capital, okay? And if we see the trend, the trend is shifting to a bearish trend, it's better to be outside with USDT and buy the dip. Of course, I'm still medium term bullish and long term bullish, but the short term trend, you always have to keep an open mind and have some capital in the side to take the opportunities the market give you. Because if the market give you an opportunity and you have some USDT and you do it again and again and again and again and again and again, you will raise your capital and your trading account much faster. You will make it better. Also, you will become a better trader in the long run because you will know what to do in critical areas, okay? And also, this is what is very important, to use stop losses, okay? If we break down right here and you had a stop loss, okay, you will be out now, okay? You will be out, and then you wait for a breakout of this area, okay, of the top. It's better to buy more expensive, okay, on confirmation, than to buy right here and get faked out. Don't use a stop loss and then dropped your capital, your equity will lose value with time, all right? But also, you know that I'm a BTC hodler, and I also have my BTC holding that I'm gonna hold unless we're gonna break the lower trend line that we discussed earlier. Anyway, that was the video for today. What do you think of this next week? Do you think we're gonna go down? Do you think we're gonna go to 5,800? Do you think we're gonna go to 4,800? Where do you think we're gonna go? Do you think this is a fake out and we're gonna bounce now to 8K? What do you think, people? Please write down in the comment below. Thank you very much. Any question you have, write down in the comment below. Pleasure to be here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.